The second Africa Health Harm Reduction Conference is ongoing in the Moroccan city of Marrakech, is calling for resilience building in the face of rising casualties whenever disasters like earthquakes strike. The chair of Civil and Environmental Engineering Department at the University of California, Professor Ertuğrul Tasigoglu, says that more innovative ways are needed in dealing with natural disasters, including changing of building codes to ensure safety in the face of earthquakes.
In his presentation on the topic, Achieving Seismic Resilience, Preparing for the Inevitable, Professor Ertuğrul Tasigoglu said that earthquakes will continue to happen, hence the need for resilience building.
And perhaps it's an aging system, so its functionality might be deteriorating, or you are improving your system and its capacity is increasing. And all of a sudden, an event happens. This event, like an earthquake, will drop its functionality. If you are resilient against a natural hazard like an earthquake, you will still have some residual functionality. If you don't have that, you run the risk of hitting rock bottom.
The professor of civil and environmental engineering at the University of California, Los Angeles, says the recent earthquake disaster in Morocco, in which over 2,000 people perished, calls for reorientation on disaster responses, calling for a multidisciplinary approach.
Design some structures like that, like nuclear power plants or main bridges. If they fail, everybody suffers a lot. But for other structures, our objectives are a little bit less. So for residential buildings, we allow some damage to happen, like cracking of concrete, etc., but no collapse.
He is urging engineering students and scholars to venture into multidisciplinary areas, including economics, social science, other disciplines of engineering, in order to complement their engineering skills.
So if you're studying civil engineering or you're trying to come up with earthquake resilient structures and infrastructure, you cannot go into your cocoon and only look at it from an engineering perspective. If you're a student in school, you have to train yourself in the multidisciplinary areas. You have to be able to understand economics, social science, other disciplines of engineering, because the disasters we're facing, earthquakes included, are all multidisciplinary problems.
More than 83 countries with policy planners, researchers, and ministers drawn from Africa, Asia, and South America are attending the conference, being held under the theme Water, Environment, and Food Security.
The second Africa Health Harm Reduction Conference began in Marrakech, Morocco, centered around water, environment, and food security. However, following the recent earthquake, in which 2,000 people lost their lives, the discussion is now how to respond to disasters. I'm Judith Akolo in Marrakech, Morocco.